Greet others with a smile. Greet others with a smile. Thank someone after they help you. Thank someone after they help you. Share your toys with your friends. Share your toys with your friends. Wait your turn patiently. Wait your turn patiently. Keep your hands to yourself. Keep your hands to yourself. Respect your elders and their opinions. Respect your elders and their opinions. Don't interrupt when someone is talking. Don't interrupt when someone is talking. Hold the door open for others. Hold the door open for others. Compliment others sincerely. Compliment others sincerely. Don't speak with your mouth full. Don't speak with your mouth full. Say goodbye politely when leaving. Say goodbye politely when leaving. Be respectful to your teachers. Be respectful to your teachers. Say I'm sorry when you make a mistake. Say I'm sorry when you make a mistake. Ask for permission before doing something. Ask for permission before doing something. Give other a chance to speak. Give other a chance to speak. Smile when you meet someone new. Smile when you meet someone new. Avoid talking over others. Avoid talking over others. Treat everyone equally. Treat everyone equally. Acknowledge people when they greet you. Acknowledge people when they greet you. After to clean up after meals. After to clean up after meals. Say please when you ask for something. Say please when you ask for something. Apologize if you hurt sentences feeling. Apologize if you hurt sentences feeling. Listen when someone is speaking to you. Listen when someone is speaking to you. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Use kind words when talking to others. Use kind words when talking to others. Offer to help someone in need. Offer to help someone in need. Say excuse me when you need to get by. Say excuse me when you need to get by. Use sir and ma'am when appropriate. Use sir and ma'am when appropriate. Ask before borrowing something. Ask before borrowing something. Be on time for appointment and gatherings. Be on time for appointment and gatherings. Show gratitude for gifts received. Show gratitude for gifts received. Offer your seat to someone who needs it. Offer your seat to someone who needs it. Be honest even when it's hard. Be honest even when it's hard. Respect personal space. Respect personal space. Don't make fun of others. Don't make fun of others. Use may I when making a request. Use may I when making a request. Take turns during games. Take turns during games. Keep your voice down in quiet places. Keep your voice down in quiet places. Be helpful without being asked. Be helpful without being asked. Be mindful of other feelings. Be mindful of other feelings.